Hi there, students. Fleeting, an adjective, and it's related to another adjective, fleet. Okay, something that is fleeting passes very quickly. It is ephemeral. Here today, gone tomorrow. I caught a fleeting glimpse of the Queen as she passed by. Fleeting, rapid and transient. It does not last long. So, life is fleeting. It comes and goes in the blink of an eye. I had a fleeting hope that the worst would not be true. So the hope was very short-lived. For a moment I thought, okay, it's not going to be so bad. And then it was. You could have a fleeting thought that comes into your mind and leaves again an instant later. So it's something of short duration, something that passes quickly. The fleeting life of an insect. Come and gone. Let's see, we often use this word fleeting with mental, perceptual or emotional states. A fleeting impression. Or a fleeting moment of panic. A fleeting desire to hit someone. For a second I really wanted to hit him, but then I cooled down. So it comes and goes. So, fleeting, transitional, brief, evanescent, ephemeral, a momentary feeling, something that's short-lived, yeah? Something that's fugacious, it comes and goes. So we also have this adjective fleet, which means fast, quick in movement, but with the nuance of nimble, agile, able to move easily. He's a fleet runner, a fast runner. He is fleet of foot. So fleet, agile and fast. Notice this meaning of fleet is not very commonly used. The adjective fleeting is much more common. Notice fleet, most commonly we use it to talk about a group or a flotilla or an armada of warships. Yeah? The Japanese sank part of the American fleet at Pearl Harbor. But I like this adjective fleet much more. It's much more interesting. It's certainly quite literary or poetic. So fleet as an adjective, fast and nimble, fleeting, temporary, short-lived. He worked so fleetly that the experience was fleeting. The fleeting beauty of a flower. The fleet flight of a swallow. Youth is so fleeting. A fleet movement. Okay, so fleeting, temporary, fleet, fast and agile. So what about formality? I think I'd give fleeting a 6 in formality. It sounds a little bit literary. You could probably get away with using it in an informal conversation, but you might just want to use short-lived or temporary. Now, fleet is certainly more formal. I'd probably give it a 7.5 in formality. It sounds poetic, literary, maybe even a bit posh. Yeah, I think informally you'd want to use the words agile, nimble, quick, light of foot, something like that. And what about the origin? Well, there was a Middle English word fletten, meaning to float. And there was even a Proto-Germanic word flotana, or flutana, meaning to float again. So, yeah, all of these are talking about floating, I guess. I'm not sure why temporary is floating, or maybe only things that float temporarily and then they sink. So I hope this video's not been too fleeting for you, and that my delivery was not too fleet. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fleeting and Fleet.